Hello, this is Ohio Jimbo, and we've got another campfire set for you because I always ask you, how many songs can you play around the campfire right now? Let's add 3 more to the list. This is Campfire Set number 2. This is called Honky Tonk. Okay, so the Honky Tonk blues are, there's so many songs that fit into this category, but I'm going to show you 3 different ones, and they fit in pretty cool. Now, each one of these songs, there's a full lesson video that you can watch through the playlist, and it'll play from one to the other. You can learn all 3 of them, and they're really simple, really short lessons, so have at it. Just do what you can with it. Lied to me last night about 10:30, and baby, your mama wouldn't let me in. Moving on over. See that? That's George Thorogood, and he's got Moving On Over. Now, that song was written by someone completely different much earlier, but George Thorogood made it famous. Now, you can make it famous around your campfire because that full lesson, you can click on the link below, or you can click on the playlist link, and it'll play all these through them. Because the second one, in the same key, you can roll from one right to the other one. We're out of E on this one, and it's Honky Tonk Blues. Let my home out on the right. I told my pa I was stepping out. I got the Honky Tonk Blues. I got the Honky Tonk Blues. I got the Honky Tonk Blues. That is a great song, really, truly honky tonk. Now, when I try to slip this third song, so the set has a little bit of variation to it, and we move into a C chord. It was all I could do to keep from crying. That is You Never Even Called Me By My Name. David Allan Coe made that one famous. Written by Steve Goodman and John Prine back in '71. David Allan Coe made it really famous in '75. Now you're going to make it famous around your campfire. That's 3 songs you can add to it. They're very simple. Click on the individual songs below, in the description below. Or you can simply play the playlist and go through it, and each one will go through with a short video and show you the full song and everything about it. I really hope that you can come in and check out some of these other campfire sets because we're allowing you to win your campfires 3 songs at a time, little mini sets, if you will. But if you have a certain song that you like, make a comment below because I'll package it with 2 other songs and I'll see if I can help build a purpose for it because sometimes it's about trains, sometimes it's about drinking and relationships, or maybe they're all in the chord of E, which you want to kind of avoid that in a full set, but we can show you how to make it really fun. So get on over to Ohio Jimbo here on the YouTube channel and let's see what we can build together to make your playlist even stronger each and every Friday. So subscribe if you haven't already and click that like button, if you will. Thank you very much, and I'll tell you what, this is Ohio Jimbo. If I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here or around the next campfire